Academic vocabulary. Academic vocabulary includes words used in academic dialogue and texts. When we need academic vocabulary, if you are writing a research article or proposal, thesis, assignment, essay, report, or any other academia related piece of paper, you will need academic vocabulary for your academic writing. Why it is necessary to learn academic vocabulary? If you want to achieve higher grades in your assignments, if you want to minimize chances of rejection for your research papers, if you want to have good reputation among your peers, and most importantly, if you want to survive in academia, you must learn academic vocabulary. Key points related to academic vocabulary. Some of the key points discussed in this video are also briefly presented in first video of academic writing playlist. In this video, we will discuss those key points in detail. Point 1. Avoid idiomatic or colloquial vocabulary. Instead, use more formal academic words in academic writing. For example, if you want to mention your boss in academic writing, would it sound to use the word boss in the sentence? You can use word manager instead of boss. Similarly, you can write word children instead of kids. Here are some more examples. So you can see non-academic and academic words. You can use word corporal instead of bodily. Similarly, you can use word close instead of shut. Perhaps it will be difficult for you to remember all academic words. The easiest way is to use online resources to find academic words for your academic writing. Online resources to find academic words. In the video description, we have provided links to some of the online resources where you can find academic words. This includes Academic Word List, Thesaurus, and LexTutor. In our next video, we will discuss how to use these online resources to improve your write-up. Point 2. Avoid using two-word or multi-word verbs if there is a suitable synonym. Example of two-word and multi-word verb includes go on and get rid of. You can use continue instead of go on, eliminate instead of get rid of. Here are some more examples. You can use request instead of ask for, establish instead of sit up. You can download these contents from the link provided in the video description. Check how two-word or multi-word verbs can be replaced with some more formal academic words. So you can see the two-word verb making up can be replaced with more formal word fabricating, inventing, or creating. Similarly, two-word verb looked into can be replaced with word investigate. Here are some more examples. You can use word abolished instead of done away with. And similarly, you can replace word communicate with get across. Point 3. Avoid popular phrases words used in spoken English but generally not used in written academic English. For example, a bit, a couple, a lot, or lots of, maybe, like, so on, thing, something, nothing, good or bad. Let's explain this. If you want to introduce an example, so use such as or for instance instead of like. So you can see how the word like can be replaced with word such as. Similarly, you can use significant or considerable instead of lots of, positive or negative instead of good or bad, perhaps instead of maybe, factor, issue or topic instead of thing, something or nothing. Let's try some sentences. This is a bit better than earlier attempts. You can rewrite same sentence as this is slightly better than earlier attempts, or this is perceptibly better than earlier attempts, or this is marginally better than earlier attempts. Similarly, you can replace word maybe with more formal word perhaps. There are some more examples. So a lot of respondents give a negative response, so you can use numerous instead of a lot of. And similarly, you can use word several instead of a couple of. Point 4. Avoid verb get in academic writing and use more formal words to replace it. For example, instead of get better, you can use word improve. Instead of get worse, you can use word deteriorate. Let's try some sentences. They got very excited about this. You can rewrite it as they became very excited about this. They got some interesting results. You can rewrite it as they obtained some interesting results. It is interesting to examine how they got to this conclusion. You can rewrite it as it is interesting to examine how they reached to this conclusion. Similarly, the sentence, it would be necessary to get rid of the external influences. You can rewrite it as it would be necessary to eliminate the external influences. So you can see how the word got is replaced with became, obtained, reached, and similarly you can replace get rid of with eliminate. In this video, we learned some basic concepts of academic vocabulary. You can download contents of this presentation from the link provided in the description. In our next videos, we will discuss some advanced principles of academic writing. We will also discuss about some online resources related to academic writing. Please subscribe. Our channel AIMS Knowledge Hub. Thank you for watching. Best wishes. Atik Arsh.